let's go ahead and repair my personal watch. I love it so much because it was given to me as a gift by someone I really love. But it's not working anymore, as you can see. So we are going to repair it. First we will open and see. I think it's the battery has died. So do we have the same size? That's the question. If we have the battery the same size, then we just have to go and replace it by the other one, new one. Or else we have to wait until maybe tomorrow to go and buy the required size. That's if the battery is the problem, okay? Otherwise, we're going to find the problem and see how we can solve it. So first, let's go ahead and open it. Okay. Because there are holes here and here and here and notches, it means that it has to be turned for opening, like a screwdriver.
No. That is wrong. Yes. Correct. That is right. No. No. Yes. Correct. That is right.
$20.25. I think okay.
Okay. Ben 5. This battery is for analog watch, and the other one is for digital watch. This battery is 1.5 volts and says is 377.
We have to wait until I go and buy a new one. Let us test it and see the voltage of it. So let's test this one to see. Good. This one is still okay. But this one. Yeah. 1.5. 1.5. Okay, now I bought this new Japanese battery with the size 377. Okay, right, the more nice guy here. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you. Let's go home and fix it. Okay, before we go home, there are things here that got my attention, like those electrical devices and telephones. For my surprise, cassette players. Chinese cassette player. Man, I don't think that in this century, 21st century, still we have places selling these things. It is strange. I don't think I will find something like this nowadays. This is the price. 115 Saudi riyals. Very strange. And another surprise. Look at this. Look at this. Okay, now we have this new battery and we are here in our lab. Let's go ahead and open this watch to replace the old one, hoping it will work. Although I'm not sure, I think it will not work. There must be some hidden problem inside. So we will have to search for it then if it didn't work.
Why it is not working? Ben Faifa. You cannot fix it. You cannot fix it. You cannot fix it.